Hey everybody, welcome to part 4 of the Great Tennessee Yarn Tour vlog. I'm on a mission to visit all 13 local yarn stores in the Great Tennessee Yarn Tour. These are local yarn shops that are located in East Tennessee, from Kingsport all the way to Chattanooga and beyond. Join me as Rachel and I go on this yarn tour and visit 3 or 4 different spots. Let's see what we can do. Our first stop was just right up the road in Knoxville. Rachel got to drive while I got to crochet. Hooray! Hello! We are here outside of Loopville. We're excited to go in. We got here 2 minutes early, so we're waiting for it to open. It's gonna be a good day for road trip. Rachel's driving today, and I brought my mosaic blanket. Are you hoping to find anything today?
I'm still not allowed to buy fingering weight yarn.
Okay.
But I do have a sweater I'm working on in DK, and if I find something that goes with my colors, I might be.
So I'm gonna get the mini skeins, and then I'm just gonna look at notions and whatnot. I'm excited to do this with you today.
Me too.
Yay! Exploring Loopville on our first stop was so much fun. This event is every yarn lover's best daydream.
I walked in and immediately broke my rule.
Well, it's pretty.
It's so
you
pretty.
need that. While Rachel cuddled with her sock yarn, I thought, I wonder if I could crochet some socks.
Hi, I'm Jackie McLaurin. Welcome to Loopville. Been so happy to have all the yarn tours here this last 3 weeks. It's been so much fun to see people we haven't seen for a long time and meet a lot of new people. Come soon.
Before leaving, I had to grab a felting kit. I got tempted with these stitch markers, but decided just to grab one of these UT orange mini skeins before we were on our way. Here we are at Clinch River in Clinton, Tennessee. Look at this cute house. Let's go inside, Rachel. This quaint little yarn cottage was so fun to walk around in. Every nook and cranny was just filled with so much yummy yarn. I even found a fun little nook. I should have brought my yarn in here because this is just the perfect spot to crochet. Oh, my grandmother had some chairs like this. This shop was owned by a mother-daughter duo. I was able to chat with them while browsing some fun yarns.
So this house was built in 1910, and it's a craftsman style, like a Sears Roebuck. Lends itself to a nice, cozy, comfy spot to hang out. We've been open for 14 years. You know, as introverted as I am, I think it's the relationships with people that I would never have become friends with otherwise. And it's the community. Like, it's not just friendships. Like, these people are family. And that's magic, I think, sometimes. Young people are the best people.
These mini skeins were dyed right here in this shop, and they can glow under a black light. I knew I had to get the blue, but they also had these other colors, so I had to grab a few of those for each of my kids as well. And I also picked up one of these notion spegs before we headed to stop number 3. Here we are at, how do you say that? Walther Handmade in Harriman, Tennessee. I love the navy and the yellow. Hi. This store was such a delight to explore. Not only was it just open and airy, there was also crochet books, like look at this Harry Potter one, and there's really fun kits to make as well. I spy Rachel with her hands on something divine. Let's go take a look.
75% wool, 25% silk.
Oh, it's silk in it?
Yeah.
And so we've
Like, give that back because I'm gonna need it.
I know.
I'm gonna need it.
Hi, I'm Jillian. This is my shop, Walther Handmade, located in historic downtown Harriman. And what I love about running a store is just you all. I love meeting other knitters, crocheters, weavers, fiber enthusiasts, and just the community that we can have together. So come see us.
This was such a popular spot that the mini skein was all sold out. I was able to grab a fun little sticker before we rushed on to our stop number 4. Unfortunately, the yarn patch was so far away, it was about an hour away from where we needed to be, and we needed to pick our kids up in like an hour. So we just kind of rushed through the store. We were not able to talk to the owner, unfortunately, but look at the store, look at all the yarn, look at everything that has to offer. I really want to go back to Crossville so that I can explore the yarn patch. I'll remember to bring my yarn next time so I can crochet in this cozy little nook. I was able to grab the mini skein before it was time to head on home and pick up the little kids. Rachel just dropped me off. We went to 4 locations: Knoxville, Clinton, Harriman, and then Crossville. It was just a beautiful, fun day with my friend Rachel. We were able to chat so much in the car. We chatted about yarn, about motherhood and marriage, and just about life, religion. Rachel and I, hey, we had just known each other just a little bit as we sat together at birthday parties or just here and there at different school functions, just quick hellos. But we were able to really just connect during this yarn tour. I hope she can say this too, but I consider her a dear friend now. Just road tripping through East Tennessee, stopping at the yarn shops, and we were able just to get to know each other so well. One thing about the fiber community is that it really draws people together, and hopefully Rachel is now a lifelong friend to me. So far I've made it to 11 stops. There are 2 more left. I'm really hoping I can do the last 2. I really like completing a challenge that I set myself up for, so I would feel really awful if I didn't finish the last 2 in Kingsport and in Greenville. And I think I have a plan in order to do it, but it involves bringing my kids. But I think they'll have such a blast. If you've missed the other parts of this vlog, make sure that you go back and see parts 1 through 3. All the parts for this vlog are linked down below. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up on this video so that more people can find it, and please subscribe to my video, tap that little bell so you're notified next time I come out with any sort of yarn related content such as this video. Join me on the next video of the Great Tennessee Yarn Tour. Happy crafting!